Hey beautiful people! Oh, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best beauty hacks and tips to keep you looking fabulous. Today we're diving into some amazing DIY beauty treatments you can do at home. Life is expensive, but not all of your beauty routines need to be. First up, we have a DIY exfoliant that's super simple and super effective. All you need is light brown sugar and coconut oil. Mix these together to create a natural exfoliant that will leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Just gently scrub your face and body in circular motions. Rinse off and voila! Pro tip: don't do this in your bathtub. The coconut oil will harden in your pipes and then you will have some real issues. Also, you can use just light brown sugar alone and then moisturize after. Plain brown sugar is perfectly fine in your shower. It melts away easy. You won't believe how smooth you are. Next, let's talk hair. Salon treatments can be super expensive, but you can get amazing results at home with natural ingredients. Try this DIY hair mask. Mix coconut oil and honey. Apply it to your hair, focusing on the ends, and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Then rinse it out and shampoo as usual. Another hair trick is to add beef tallow to your strands. Now, you don't want to do this before you do your hair and go out for a night on the town, but give it a go for an overnight boost. It washes out easy and makes your hair very smooth and shiny. You can also use just a bit to help fight frizz after you have done your hair. Just rub together in your hands and apply very lightly to the middle two ends of your hair. Your hair will feel incredibly soft and hydrated, and you'll save a ton of money by skipping the salon. Now let's move on to DIY face masks. You don't need to spend a fortune to get great skin care. There are a ton of at-home face masks you can do. You can mix yogurt, honey, and oats to create a soothing and nourishing face mask. You can use straight egg whites. It's an instant skin tightener. You can also get some bentonite clay and add apple cider vinegar to it to make a mask. Buy some charcoal and add it in to help draws out any impurities. Super cheap and super effective. Your skin will be tight and glowing. Got puffy eyes? Here's a quick and easy hack. Chill a spoon in the fridge and press it under your eyes to reduce puffiness and refresh tired eyes. It's a simple trick that works wonders. Instantly refreshing and no need for expensive eye creams. Looking for a natural teeth whitener? Rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth. It might sound weird, but the minerals in the peel can help whiten your teeth. Do this a few times a week and you'll start seeing a difference. Plus, it's way cheaper than professional treatments. Finally, let's talk about a simple yet powerful hair treatment: rice water. Use rice water as a rinse for your hair to promote strength and shine. Just soak rice in water, strain it, and use the water to rinse your hair after shampooing. Cheaper than the rice shampoos. So there you have it, folks. Give them a try and let me know in the comments how they work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome beauty hacks. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay budget savvy.